Welcome to Home and Garden with Natalia. This is her sidekick and amazing husband, Mike. I'm going to give you guys a little update. We left for the day. It was very hot. It was in the mid-90s today, but they are definitely making some progress. They've got this one side done, tied in. And I know it looks like a construction zone, but that's what it is. And this is going to be all one big flower bed. They are starting to get the top of the patio done. Starting to tie in the stairs the way we want the stairs tied in. We're going to take this and they're going to tie it on around and tie it in. And it's the same level as the pavers, so there's no trip point there, but there's a transition point. Starting to put the sand down. And the sand will go in and go in between the blocks and anchor them down. Doesn't look like they got a lot done, but trust me, as hot as it was today, they did an excellent job. Let's give you a different perspective here, what it's going to look like. Now what's going to happen over here is there's going to be a liner brought up, and there's going to be rocks put in, and there's plants put in there. So that water level's going to come up on that edge and blend in as a water feature right in. And as I said, there's a rippling stream waterfall drop off. That's more like a cliff effect. Let's see a little bit of different perspectives on the patio. I'll go up on top of the patio and let you take a look at the height variance. Take the steps up. When you're up here, you're right at height of what I'd say eyeball level right now. And you can see just high enough you can turn around and see the whole area. See the edge. Be filled in with rocks, and the boulders will come out along the edge of the pond, up the edge, get the river rock and boulders at the top of the waterfall into the line. We still got to tie this in over here, but they're making some pretty good progress. What will happen here is that will actually tail it in and cut right in like that, and it'll blend in also. The top of the patio looks like up front. Be quiet and listen to the waterfall. Eventually going to put another little sitting area over there in the shade. Where they cut in today. I'll put the edge down tomorrow. We'll concrete that in. And what we'll do here is we'll bring these big rocks down. We'll line those rocks all along the edge like that and close that out. So it's looking pretty good. And then this edge in here will go along here. And we'll go in front of the patio itself. Give you a little view from the other side. These guys aren't the best at straightening up before they leave, but like I said, it's so hot today. I don't blame them. Getting out of here early. This is what the patio looks like from the other side. Along the walkway. Again, this is the Oasis project. It's in the middle of the driveway. We're going to put a umbrella over there with some chairs and a table and have a place to come out and enjoy the day. Hope you enjoy the video. If you do, share it, get some more subscribers for us, and we'll keep you guys up to date. Have a good day.